What are the most effective PPC strategies sellers should know? That's a good way to end it. So, most important PPC strategies that we are applying in Scale Wave successfully so far for 6 and 7 figure brands are the following. There are 5 strategies. I'm calling them evergreen strategies. First one is to protect your own brand, your own branded keywords, and your own listings. Second one is to conquer. Here we're going to target our competitors' listings where we have a competitive advantage. Third one, it's called rank, where we're going to look at specific keywords or specific products that are working well for us, and we're going to create exact match campaigns for those. Fourth one, it's called dominate. This is more of a placement modifier play, where we see a clear placement works really well for us, and we're going to push as much as possible within the goal range. So if it's for profitability, we're not going to push too high, but we are going to push and make sure that we're going to keep position for that particular keyword. And then the fifth one is going to be discover. Basically, those are going to be everything that is broad match, phrase match, auto campaigns, category targetings, broad modified campaigns. That is the way how we would strategize.